Sup guys, Overdov here. In this video we're gonna be hunting for the potential airdrop of Eigen layer. As usual, before we begin, a couple disclaimers. Nothing here is financial advice, always do your own research. Activities in this video do not guarantee you will get the token allocation, even if the airdrop will happen in the future. And lastly, all information in the video and description, including links, provided as is, so use at your own risk. So what is Eigen layer? It's a protocol built on Ethereum that introduces the concept of restaking. It's a new primitive in crypto economic security. This primitive enables the reuse of ETH on the consensus layer. So in simple terms, it's a layer that allows the ETH that is currently staked to be used. For the funding rounds, we can see that in August 2022, there was a seed round that raised 14.5 million with the Polychain and Ethereal Ventures leading the way. And then recently, at the end of March, we had the Series A funding round with a 50 million funding led by Blockchain Capital. You can also see Coin Ventures there, Polychain, Electric, and Hack VC. And as for the current development, the chain is on Testnet-1, so that's very early in development, which is also good for us because we're gonna make our footprints early. And as usual, all links gonna be in description. As for the wallet, we're gonna be using the MetaMask. If you still somehow don't have the girly testnet in your MetaMask, go to the chain list, check the include testnet box, type in girly and add the girly to your MetaMask. For the activities in this video, you only need testnet ETH, girly ETH. I would suggest having at least like 0.3 girly ETH because you're gonna be making a lot of transactions, gas is high, and so you're gonna burn some of that definitely. So as always, you can get girly ETH on facets, like girly faucet for example, or you can buy it on testnet bridge. As I always advocate, like get yourself 20 girly ETH and forget about it for the next like 50 airdrop activities. But again, it's up to you if you want to play with the faucets, by all means. Okay, next we need to get testnet tokens. These are rETH and stETH. stETH first, you need to follow information in the docs. Copy that address first of all and add that to your MetaMask. Make sure you're on girly. Where's my girly? Okay, import tokens, import address, stETH, add in the token, and also let's add the rETH right away. Also importing that. Adding, done. Okay, so in order to get stETH, we need to send our girly ETH to a specified address. We copy this address, then we go to the MetaMask, click send, input this address. We need to click I understand in the warning, and then put the amount of ETH that you want to send. In my case, I want to send 0.2 ETH. Confirm, yeah, and 0.2, well, close to 0.2 stETH have arrived. And now we need to get the rETH. For that we need to follow this link, and same here, you just pay in girly ETH and getting yourself some rETH. Click to accept the terms, connect MetaMask, boom, click stake. Deposit pool. The current staking deposit pool has room for 0 ETH. Yeah, so that can happen if deposit pool is full. You really have only two options. Try it another time, hoping that at that time somebody will pull out, or go to Uniswap, for example, and try to get it from the secondary market. Here, make sure that you are on girly. You go and you copy our ETH contract address, and you insert it here. And let's check the exchange rate. If I want 0.2, yikes, that's not a good exchange rate. I don't want to wait, so I'll just swap this, get myself some rETH. Okay, I got my rETH in the wallet, and now we can go restake. Go on to restaking. We need to connect the wallet. And you can see two pools here, Rocket Pool Ether, deposit, input max, Next. Need to approve. Can use default on approve. Yeah, it says deposit successful. You can also unstake it right away. I'm not gonna do that. If you need that girly ETH, you can unstake. And we're gonna do the same for Lido staked Ether. Just deposit. I'm gonna deposit max. Also need to approve and confirm. Now if you are at that page, you're gonna see that you have restaked. There is also a button here to create agent pod. So if we go to the docs, on the native restaking, it says users should only try the native restaking path if they already have their own validator on Girly or know how to set one up. If not, please go down the liquid restaking path that we just did. So it's really up to you. You can just do this transaction for the heck of it. It's like you're paying gas, but you're not really transferring the tokens. I don't know what it is from a technical standpoint, so if you want, you can just skip it. Okay, next we're gonna go and join the Twitter and the Discord. On Discord, you need to verify yourself with the bot real quick, just takes a couple seconds. And then we need to post our feedback to this channel, Testnet feedback. Any feedback like no errors went fine, then we need to post our address and the hash of the staking transactions. For that, go to your MetaMask, go to the activity, and then there are going to be transactions and the contract interaction. If you also press the create agent button like me, that's going to be less transaction probably, but you can just check it. For me, it's going to be this one and this one. You don't need approved transactions, you need contract interaction. So if you click this, view on Block Explorer, and one of the transactions will have liquid stake here. And if you go open another transaction, should be this one, it should say the rocket pool. Yeah, here it says rocket pool. So you need to copy that address and this address also and post it here alongside with your wallet address. So these are going to be current activities on chain. There is also one activity off chain. If you don't want to do it, you can skip it because there is like no connection to your wallet whatsoever, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. For that, we need to go to the forum. First of all, you register the old Web 2 way with your email. And then when you click on your profile, you can see the message from the Disco bot. And there is a little quest to get verified here. You basically need to follow his instructions. So first of all, we need to bookmark this. The next task is gonna be basically copying that and replying with that, with any of these links. Nice. Then we need to use the emoji. Guess you can you copy that? Yeah, it should be fine, right? Message. Nice. Then we need to mention. Okay. Wait, it says it's not mentioned. How is it not mentioned? How about now? Oh yes, okay. Use bold and italic. It's bold. Great job. Need to use the quote. I think if we reply, we already use the quote. I don't know how to do it. Quote. Post can be empty. What do you mean it's empty? It's not empty. Oh, I think I know what's wrong. So we need to quote that and then put some additional tag. There you go. If you just quote without putting an additional text, that doesn't work. Need to like this. And we need to reply with the image. Pick any picture and upload it. That took a while actually for the small picture. Now you can send it. And we get to the next step. Flag this post. It's inappropriate flag. Then we need to search for capybara in this topic. Searching. Oh, we found something. Okay, we need to reply with a herb emoji. But keep telling me that the post is empty if there is no additional text. Yay, we got a certificate. And if you click on yourself, you can see that you earned a certified badge. Again, 99.99% chance it's not gonna matter, but still a little bit of fun at the end. And these are all the steps that we currently have for the Eigen layer. Thank you very much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon.